2021 Ford Bronco. With less than 21,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.